Hey guys, so let's take a look at the trade yesterday on January 23rd for gold. You can see the trend line right here. It was going up, 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 up like crazy, broke the trend line right here, and now I'm waiting for a little bit of a drop. Now, because gold is pumping like crazy, you want to be careful about shorting it. Now, as I don't know how well you can see here, but this is where I went short right here, and this is happening fast. But I did post it in Telegram channel. But you see, okay, so I put my stop loss right here. I got in right here, and my take profit was right here. But this was happening so fast that I was like, you know what? I got out early. I ended up getting right here. And you can see it all in the Telegram channel because I was like, you know what? I thought it would come up again, retest, and then see another drop down like that. But it didn't do that. And I knew that I need to be very careful when gold is going like this because it's about to hit 5,000. And then, you just got to be very, very careful. So on this one, I got in right here. It was a great trade. It's like a 1-to-1 instead of a 2-to-1. So anyways, but it was a good trade, made money, finished the week off. I was like, I want to close it out, get done for the week, and then we're done. So anyways, that was that fantastic trade. Yeah, so again, if you're curious how I trade, 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 waves, then you see the break of the trend line right here, then it drops down here. There wasn't much of a retest right here, a little bit, and then it dropped like that. That's how I trade. If you want to check out my Telegram channel, do that. But let's look at the bot trading, okay? For January 23rd, you see we made $497 in 1 day. I mean, this is like gold is going wild right now, but I'll show you for the entire not just for the month. We'll go back to October. We started mid-October, so we added about $500 now. And let's see where we're at now. Made $16,142 in like 3.5 months. This is when you take out your principal. We put in 15,000. It says 16, but you get a bonus when you put in a certain amount. So you put in your principal, take it out, and just let it run, okay? And see how much you make. So it's a fantastic program. If you're interested, let me know send me a message. I'll connect you with these guys. My friend developed this over many, many years. It's about 100 people using this bot now. It's very, very exciting, okay? So if you got any questions about that, if you want to learn to trade, go to my website. I have a course there you can take, and a Telegram channel. Check it out if you're curious about this. I post everything I do there, and we're looking for a drop coming up soon, but I have to be very, very careful because gold is hot right now. Cool. All right. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.